my name is Lena Joseph. I am a trainer and a life coach. I attended this training, a 3 days training, TTT, Train the Trainer, conducted by Kaizen Solutions, and the trainer here was Abhishek Tula. To begin with, let me just congratulate the entire organization of Kaizen Solution and the trainer, Abhishek, who are excellent as a team. They've provided very, very good support to all the trainers and the participants. There were people from training background, there were people from different backgrounds, and the kind of support that we got from the team was excellent. In terms of conducting the entire training, it was brilliantly done. All the information was given in the right amount and in the right package. There was very precise information and instructions. The activities that were done were very relevant to the information provided to us, and we had fun. So it was not boring, it was entertaining, informative, very, very, very lively for that matter. So yes, it was a brilliant 3-day session that I had and totally enjoyed it. I highly recommend Kaizen Solutions and the trainer Abhishek Tula. If anybody wants to do this program, you don't have to go and look out anywhere else. Just follow Kaizen Solutions on Facebook and give them a call. Thank you.